Welcome back to our Data Science for Beginners series. Today we're diving into Chapter 5, Introduction to Machine Learning. Machine learning is a cornerstone of data science, enabling computers to learn from data and make predictions. Let's explore this exciting field. In this video, we'll cover the basics of machine learning, the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning, and how to build your first machine learning model. Let's get started. First, let's talk about understanding machine learning. Machine learning involves training algorithms to recognize patterns in data and make decisions based on those patterns. 1. Definition: machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on building systems that learn from data. 2. Types of algorithms. Common algorithms include decision trees, support vector machines, and neural networks. 3. Applications. Machine learning is used in various fields, such as healthcare, finance, and technology, for tasks like image recognition, fraud detection, and recommendation systems. Now that we have a basic understanding of machine learning, let's discuss the two main types of learning: supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data, meaning the input comes with the correct output. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, deals with unlabeled data, where the goal is to find hidden patterns or intrinsic structures. 1. Supervised learning. Examples include classification and regression tasks. Example algorithms: linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees. Example: from sklearn.linear_model import linear regression and model equals linear regression. 2. Unsupervised learning. Examples include clustering and association tasks. Example algorithms: k-means, hierarchical clustering. Example: from sklearn.cluster import k-means and model equals k-means, n_clusters equals 3. Now, let's put this knowledge into practice by building your first machine learning model. We'll create a simple supervised learning model using Python's scikit-learn library. 1. Import libraries. Start by importing the necessary libraries. Example: import pandas as PD, from sklearn.model_selection import train_test_split, from sklearn.linear_model import linear regression. 2. Load data. Load a dataset for our model. Example: data equals PD read_CSV, data.csv. 3. Preprocess data. Prepare your data for training. Example: x equals data, feature 1, feature 2, y equals data, target. 4. Split data. Split your data into training and testing sets. Example: x_train, x_test, y_train, y_test equals train_test_split, x, y, test_size equals 0.2, random_state equals 42. 5. Train model. Train your model on the training data. Example: model equals linear regression, model.fit, x_train, y_train. 6. Evaluate model. Test your model on the testing data and evaluate its performance. Example: predictions equals model.predict, x_test, accuracy equals model.score, x_test, y_test. By understanding the basics of machine learning and practicing with simple models, you'll be ready to tackle more complex challenges. To recap, we've covered understanding machine learning, the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning, and building your first machine learning model. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into evaluating and improving your models. Make sure to download the course materials and practice the exercises provided. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.